What if you could walk along a beach where every wave glows and each step lights up the sand? Welcome to the enchanting world of bioluminescent beaches. These natural wonders are powered by microscopic organisms called phytoplankton. When disturbed by motion, whether it's waves crashing, a splash in the water, or your footsteps, they emit a dazzling blue light. This glow, a result of a chemical reaction involving luciferase enzymes, serves as a defense mechanism to ward off predators or signal mates. One of the most famous spots is Mosquito Bay in Puerto Rico, where the water transforms into a glowing spectacle at night. Imagine kayaking through shimmering waters, feeling like you're gliding across starlight. These glowing beaches remind us of the magic hiding in nature, combining science and beauty in the most breathtaking way. Like and subscribe to us to hear more about these natural phenomena.